Here comes Thomas. I'm the #1 engine. Whoa! All engines go! Coming through! Down the hills and round the wall! All engines go! Quacking Quandary. Taking letters and packages down the rail. My favourite thing is to deliver the... What? Hey, you're a skunk. Skunks don't quack. Hi, duckies. Quack, quack, quack. Huh? For a little duckling, you sure have a loud quacker. OK, gotta deliver the mail. I'll come by and say hi later. It's break time. Perfect. Now a little forwards. I'm going to stop.
Thanks to you, Bruno, I think we dropped those pipes in record time.
We did. It was fast because it was efficient. That means the job was done with no extra work.
Efficient. Efficient. I like it. I'm going to make today the fastest, most efficient day ever. I'll be fast-efficient.
Fast-efficient is not a real word, but it's a good idea. Oh, good. Bruno, can you help me with my run to Pill Godred?
Diesel, Thomas needs me. I'll miss you, buddy, but I got it. Go!
Diesel, look up ahead. This is the fastest, most efficient route for you to take, Diesel.
I'll be fast-efficient.
Well, if anyone can be fast-efficient, you can.
My first goal, get roof shingles at Kelstop before Tess finishes unloading Bulstrode. See you later. Go, Diesel, go. Oh. Nothing's gonna stop me now. What was that? There it is again! It's coming from the swamp. What is it? It must be a swamp monster! Ah!
Where you been? I'm very busy.
Sorry I'm a little late, Tess. There was just a little, swamp monster over by the duck pond.
Mama monster?
Hooey, I don't believe in swamp monsters.
Yeah, right. Of course not. I don't know what I was thinking. Don't worry, Tess. I promise I'll get this delivery done fast.
Yeah, fast. But without swamp monsters. Yeah, totally without swamp monsters.
Good luck.
Yeah, but if I'm going to be the most fast-efficient engine ever, I'm gonna have to go by the duck pond again.
Fast-efficient isn't a thing. Yeah, swamp monsters are a thing. Is that a swamp monster? That's what it sounds like.
I know, but, I'm not scared. But since you guys are, I'm gonna take a different way.
We're not scared. You're scared. Good one. Yeah, but I'm glad he's going this way. Yeah, me too.
Why is Diesel coming from that way? That's definitely not the fastest.
Diesel.
I'm sorry I'm late.
Well, that's all right. Not everything gets done exactly on time every time, but we must stay on schedule.
Well, it's not my fault. It's the swamp monsters.
Swamp monsters? Oh dear, that's terrible. A disaster.
Hey, Diesel, you took the wrong route because of a swamp monster?
Yeah, obviously.
It was pretty terrifying.
Horrifying and swampy.
Diesel? There's no such thing as swamp monsters.
But let's hear Diesel out, Bruno. What did this thing look like?
I haven't actually seen it, but I've heard it over by the duck pond. I avoided it before, but if I want to be on time, I have to go by the duck pond on my last delivery. Sometimes bad noises bother me too, Diesel. I have some ways to be okay, like using my headphones. Gee, if I had a pair of headphones like that, I'd probably rocket past the swamp monsters. Here.
So, do they work?
What? They work. Thanks, Bruno. I'll see you two later after I complete the most fast-efficient day ever.
Good luck!
What? Have fun being fast-efficient. What? I can't hear you. I gotta go. See ya. Bruno's right. These headphones are great. I'm not gonna let anything stand in the way of getting the job done. Not even swamp monsters. I am A-okay. Gonna have a real good day. Won't let the fear get in my way. I'm A-okay. Sure, some things are spooky and scary stuff, ooh, makes you quake. But a big brave heart is a very good start. I may bend but never break. I am A-okay. Gonna have a real good day. Won't let the fear get in my way. I'm A-okay. Oh, if you can't hear something scary, then you won't be scared at all. If you don't see a single scary thing, you can keep on rolling too. Oh, I'm A-okay. Gonna have a real good day. Swamp monster, get out of my way. I'm A-okay. I'm A-okay. I'm A-okay.
Letters and packages down the rail. I've done my deliveries. Quackity quack, duckies. Where are you? Duckies? What's wrong, Mother Duck? Oh no! Your baby ducklings are stuck inside the pipe. I have to do something, but what? Hold on, duckies! I'll get you all out of there somehow. Help! Somebody! Help! I fell in the pond.
As long as I have these headphones, I'm not afraid. Ah! My headphones! Swamp monster!
Please.
Percy? Swamp monster or not, I have to help my friend. I'm coming, Percy. Don't worry, I'll save you. Where's that swamp monster? Let me at it.
Swamp monster? What are you talking about? Oh, that? The sucklings do sound like swamp monsters.
Stucklings?
Stuck ducklings. They're in that culvert, and they're what's making all that noise.
Oh, Stucklings, right.
So can you help us all out here?
Of course. I'm going to do what it takes to make it all okay.
Yes, the Stucklings are free.
Are you all right, boys? I heard there was a swamp monster. Run away. Run away!
What was his problem?
I don't know, but thanks for saving me and the Stucklings. Stuck ducklings. Stucklings. Get it?
Stuckling is not a real word, but I like it anyways.
And nice job, Diesel.
Oh, it was nothing. Just used my massive strength to free Percy and the Stucklings. No big root. I'd trade a swamp monster for a Stuckling any day.